What's up fools, I'm DK from Supermofools and I'm very happy that we're gonna go on with the DRZ build. Because you might have missed it last week, it should have been there, but I went to Geneva for work. That was really nice, but it wasn't nice that we couldn't continue with the show. So, Crashing picked up all the powder coated parts yesterday. Besides that, we're also gonna unbox and reveal all the parts we got for this project. I can't wait to show you, so let's go! So, I'm really impressed by the work the powder coater did. Everything looks super clean and all the bolts and all the threads haven't been damaged as far as I can see. So it's just a matter of pulling everything out and checking it again. And also the most important thing is, what is it? The dry sump system. Hopefully everything is protected and no sandblasting shit has come in it. So now that we know that all the custom-made parts did their job by protecting the dry sump system, we're gonna go check and unbox all the cool parts we got for the DRZ build. It's gonna be epic! You just saw all the parts on the table, but there's no way you could have identified them all. So I'm just gonna read the paper. That's the invoice for you guys, so you know what I ordered. It's gonna take a while. DRZ edged aluminum T-holder kit. DRZ radio hose kit. Okay, so now you know, but you haven't seen triple clamps yet and the exhaust system. This is a Delta 4 barrel exhaust system. Way shorter, it's more silent, it should be more effective. And I really like the look of it, the stainless steel pipe. Okay, I don't know why I do this. This is the Delta 4 barrel exhaust system, I just talked about it. And this is the triple clamp. Also from Zeta. It looks just beautiful. That's the reason why I choose it, because it's black, just like everything else from the powder coating station. So I'm really happy with it. And I'm just really curious how everything is gonna look. One thing I didn't include in this video are the Grizzly wheels, because those wheels are expected next week. Those wheels are gonna be the cherry on the pie. So guys, see you next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me make a song for you, okay? Just here.